Alrighty guys, check it out. I'm going to show you guys this 2018 Toyota Tacoma. It came in for some audio upgrades, and I'm just going to show you a little bit of what we did and how it looks and how it sounds. And this setup here will fit any year Tacoma. It's almost honestly the perfect setup if you're not looking to go like too crazy, right, where you're gonna rattle up the whole neighborhood. This is a nice clean sound, and I think it's just perfect. I mean, if you ask me, somebody who's been doing audio for 10 plus years. All right, here we go. Let me show you guys. And if you guys need this done, let me know. I got a quote already for this setup here. So I'm going to start in the back here. So right here we have the Kicker 5-channel amp. So this amplifier is made by Kicker. It's a 5-channel, meaning you can run all 4-door speakers, and you have an extra channel to run a subwoofer. We did run all 4-gauge power wire, OFC, and we got our RCAs right back there. All right, so this is a pretty nice setup. It's all, you know, tucked away. You can still use some of your storage compartments, so we're just gonna leave that like that there. And it's out of the way, you don't see it. Right behind the passenger seat, we put in this box that you see here. That is a 10-inch subwoofer. They have a 10 or a 12, but with this amplifier, we could only push that one 10. It is a Kicker setup, like I mentioned. Now, we did replace all the speakers using all the right adapters. As you can see here, these are the Kicker DS for the front. For the rear, excuse me, we didn't drill any holes. They go mounted onto the original parts if you get the right adapter. So they sell these adapters from Metra where you can add any aftermarket speaker without having to drill holes onto here. You do have different options if you want to run Dynamat, but with this one, it's just a basic setup. We just wanted something a little bit better than what the stock system comes with. Up front as well, we did replace the 6x9s with the DS 6x9s. These have the 2 tweeters, so tweeter, mid-range, and bass. So it's gonna give you a much cleaner, crispy sound. It's all nice and clean. Once again, we didn't drill holes. I just have these panels off for the purpose of me wanting to show you the setup that we did here, so it looks nice and clean. Right here, we do have the bass knob. Okay, that's gonna control the bass. We do have an LC7 I Pro, which I can't show you that because it is behind the head unit. We mounted on there, and you know, this is the second time this customer stopped by. I told him the last time he got it done, I told him, give it about 2 weeks, you know, break it in a little bit, we'll get you back in here and we'll make sure to do the final tune. So we did the final tune on it today. Everything sounds good. We had to make some adjustments. We mounted the bass knob, and we were getting like this little noise, so you know, it's all part of the deal, but we fixed it, and I can tell you that this thing sounds super clean, guys. Mid-range, tweeters, everything sounds just really, really good. All right, well, let's see if the video does justice. We're gonna put it to the test, and we are running it with the original stock stereo. We're using the USB for our audio. Let's go. Let me point one thing out, is you're not gonna hear any engine noise. You're not gonna hear any engine noise. I have a big issue with engine noise, so you're not gonna hear any of the muffing. You're not gonna hear any popping. So it's pretty good little setup. All right, like I said, this is your bass knob. You're gonna be able to control the bass here. Let's go ahead and put some music and yeah, let you guys hear it. Oh, I forgot to mention, we did replace the dash speakers with the 2-inch KS kickers.
We making it 'cause we make it move. The only thing we know how to do. Said it's the only thing we know how to do. Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard. We work hard, play hard. Keep partying like it's showtime. Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard. We work hard, play hard. Keep partying like it's showtime. Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard. We work hard, play hard. Keep partying like it's showtime.
Let's see if we can make this vibrate a little. Well, we can't do that, but with the 10, yeah, sounds pretty good. Anyways, there it is, guys. Just wanted to show you guys this one. If you're interested, let us know here at Dee's Garage.